What is DevOps? DevOps is basically a combination of two words, development and operations. So what do we get when we combine these two? Simply speaking, DevOps is a culture that implements technology in order to promote collaboration between development and operations team to deploy code to production faster in an automated and repeatable way. The goal of DevOps is to increase an organization's speed when it comes to delivering applications and services. Many companies have successfully implemented DevOps to enhance their user experience. Let's take for example, Facebook's mobile app, which is updated every 2 weeks, effectively telling users, you can have what you want and you can have it now. Ever wondered how Facebook was able to do this so smoothly? It's the DevOps philosophy that helps Facebook ensure that its apps aren't outdated and that its users get the best experience. Facebook accomplishes this through a code ownership model that makes its developers responsible. That includes testing and supporting through production and delivery for each kernel of code they write and update. It's through policies like this that Facebook has developed a DevOps culture and has successfully accelerated its development lifecycle. Industries have started to gear up for the digital transformation by shifting their needs to weeks and months instead of years while maintaining high quality. As a result, we will soon see that DevOps engineers have more access and control of the end user than any other person in the enterprise. So what are you waiting for? Don't be in the sidelines when that happens. To master your skills, enroll in Edureka's DevOps certification program and become a leader. Until next time, happy learning!